Did anyone called me? Anyways, my burger was so good. Yummy. Oh my god, really? Oh my god, Ruby was eating junk food? That's so bad of her. Ouch. My throat. Oh my god, I should go help her. Guys, Ruby is safe, but tell her do not eat junk food again, please, or she will get this problem again. Oh, thank God. But guys, please do not eat junk food again, or Ruby will get this problem again, or that will be you.